TLC 2019 results match card. Humberto Carrillo versus Andrade. The winner of the match, Humberto Carrillo. The New Day versus The Revival for the SmackDown Tag Team Champions. The winners of the match returning the SmackDown Tag Team Champions, The New Day. Aleister Black versus Buddy Murphy. The winner of the match was Aleister Black. The Viking Raiders versus Anderson and Gallows. The winner of the match was nobody because of double countout, meaning the Viking Raiders retained. Roman Reigns versus King Corbin. The winner of this match was King Corbin. Bray Wyatt versus The Miz for the Universal Champion. The winner of the match, retaining the Universal Champion, Bray Wyatt. Rusev versus Bobby Lashley with Lana in his corner. The winner of this match was Bobby Lashley. The Kabuki Warriors versus Becky Lynch and Charlotte Flair for the Women's Tag Team Champions in a ladder match. The winner of the match, retaining the Women's Tag Team Champions, the Kabuki Warriors,